female detective.
Pretty sure she has more stuff. She was in cosmetics the last time. She was just.
But you still have 3 other warrants.
I have what?
3 other warrants?
For what?
2 for shoplifting, 1 for...
On the 16th of January 2025, police were dispatched to Walmart after receiving a report of an ongoing theft. The suspect was identified as a woman who concealed merchandise on her person. Upon arrival at the scene, officers confirmed everything through surveillance footage.
So what do we got? I haven't identified her yet. She took this so far. I'm pretty sure she's taken more. That's the only thing I saw.
Where's she at?
She's right here near HBA. She's right here in this corner.
So where did she put that? She for sure already...
Yeah, she just took the actual bag and she tossed the box over there in toys.
Which one was it? The one with the red or
The beanie. Beanie. I know she's trespassed. I don't know her name.
Okay.
I remember her because of her tattoo, but I'm trying to get them identified in the market, but.
Alright, so we'll just give them like 2, 3 more minutes before we... Have they been here? What?
I'd say they came in around 10 minutes ago. So like at 14.
Where did she put the
hair stuff? The conditioner? Yeah, it's in her pocket. Pretty sure she has more stuff. She was in cosmetics the last time. She was just going at it. Just couldn't see because we don't got a camera.
And you don't know her name either, right? The one that's stealing? So for sure she just has one thing right now, right? And then you think she has cosmetics?
That I know for sure, yeah, it's just that. But pretty sure she has more cosmetics on.
You want to touch it from or do you want to just go? That's on that side, right?
This is on GM side, so it'll be on the other side.
Yes. No. Never mind.
Thus, all the wrongdoing had become clear. Immediately after that, the police approached the woman. It seems she was not surprised by the officer's next actions.
Alright. Did you put something in your pocket right now?
My phone?
What else you got in your other pocket?
My earphones?
Okay, cool. You're gonna be detained for now, okay?
Oh, wow, okay.
Cool. Not too tight.
No.
What's your personal stuff from here?
Huh?
We'll just take it out to
My jacket.
Just your jacket.
Okay, you wanna go these things in the house? Alright, let's go. 980, so female detective.
I just put it in there real quick.
I'm sorry?
I said I didn't even notice I had to put them in there.
Okay. We'll talk to you in a bit.
Can I call my girlfriend? We were gonna buy a.
Where's she at? You guys were together.
Huh?
Where's she at? You guys were together.
Somewhere in here.
Oh, okay. And that guy?
It could be seen that she implicitly admitted her actions without any shame, and when taken to the loss prevention office, she further clarified additional details.
So we're gonna do like a pat down search because you're technically arrested right now for that shoplifting, right? You don't have anything else on you before we find it? No? Okay. Where did you put whatever that is? I don't know if it's like hair dye or whatever. Because you took it out of that box, had it in your pocket.
Just in the pocket.
In the pocket on you or in there?
In the jacket.
Okay. Is there anything else in the jacket?
No.
No? Okay. Did you take anything else before just that? Okay. And we were asking you earlier, that lady, who was she? You said she's your girlfriend?
Yeah.
And then the guy, the one that passed us, he didn't know it? You just random guy?
The woman did not simply take the items. The reason she was easily detected was that she had already opened the products, which made it difficult for the officers to verify exactly what she had taken.
You don't have anything else like staples that What's that tied to?
I don't know.
Well, she took it off of her. What?
I have the brush in the basket.
Okay.
No, it's fine.
Just this?
Can you just get me a receipt for now? Because was there anything else? Okay, cool. Thank you.
It was noticeable that the woman kept fidgeting and could not sit still, as if she was under the influence of something. In addition, officers quickly discovered that this was not her first time being involved in wrongful behavior.
What number is there?
He refused to extradite me.
Yeah, that's probably not. But you still have 3 other warrants.
I have what?
3 other warrants?
For what?
2 for shoplifting, 1 for criminal trespass.
I was just locked up.
Oh, well, that's what they just said on you. So we can confirm, and then if they say then they messed up, then we can do okay.
I was
Or
just
give us
in
a
jail.
When?
Like barely like a week and a half ago.
Okay. For what? The same thing?
No.
Okay. These
But
ones.
they didn't bring up none of these ones.
Did you get arrested here? Did you get arrested here? Or where?
I was, they brought me from El Paso.
So you got arrested in El Paso and they brought you here, or you were arrested here? And
No, that was in El Paso, and they, Doña came and picked me up.
Okay. Cool. Okay. So I was just gonna give you a citation, but if they confirm these warrants, then we're gonna have to take you to jail, okay? Is there anything that you want to leave with your girlfriend? I mean, we can call her and then leave stuff with her. Your what?
My phone.
Okay. And this jacket, you want to take it, leave it, because they're probably just gonna put it in a bag and put it.
I'll leave it.
Okay. And your beanie?
I'll leave it to them.
Okay. You want a card, Jordan?
Yeah.
How about you?
Babe,
You better want that.
they have me arrested up here in the front, so can you come and get my jeans?
At this point, the police decided to take the woman away, and disappointingly, there was no sign of remorse shown until the very end.
Yeah, just stand up. Take me to your unit.
Yeah. I think so.
You're gonna go to the left. Yeah, I'll pull up. Head up.
Okay, so before they come do your search, look, it's empty, right? So if there's anything back there that shouldn't be back there, it's gonna be yours, okay? You have some more research?
Alright, so go ahead and step out. We have a female officer here that's gonna search you. Okay? Just face the unit right there.
You got anything in your pockets that's gonna poke me or stick me? Want to reach your feet?
The woman was charged with shoplifting, along with additional consequences due to her prior warrants, including previous shoplifting offenses and criminal trespass. Repeated wrongdoing without accountability only leads to harsher consequences, and refusing to learn from past mistakes will eventually close off every second chance.